What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Faded, and you tired of having low views on your video. You want more people to like your shit, more people to subscribe to your channel. Well, you need to get Tube Buddy. You need Tube Buddy, man. Tube Buddy done helped me a lot. I'm not gonna cap. When you got 0 subscribers, you need everything you need. Tube Buddy, man. Look, I got a video with 4,640. I did all these things, man. I just uploaded this video 4 days ago. I'm a brand new YouTube channel. I got all this from Tube Buddy. You see? And this is a part I didn't know, cause I was making short video tags and everything. But this is how you do it. All these tags. They call them money tags. You see how it says very good? All these long tags, man. So if you're a new YouTube channel starting out, man, even the old one, you're not getting no views, go get you Tube Buddy, man. Look, some of these videos still ain't got none. I made this YouTube channel less than a week and I got views. I know some people take forever to get these type of views. Look, I got 4,217 on this one. I got comments. I didn't think none of this was gonna happen. Like, if you got a slow channel, just let me know, man. I'm sorry for that little cough. I need to drink something, but man, Tube Buddy done helped me a long way. You don't have to, it's free. It's a free app. A lot of people don't know about Tube Buddy. A lot of people do. Well, not famous, but the people with more views know about Tube Buddy. Cause it's hard coming up with tags on your own, man. Look at all this. You try to do 1 or 2 tags, you ain't gonna get no views on your videos. And they show you like title, link, add description and stuff. I paid for the pro version, so I get more tags. I think it's like a limit to give you whatever, but it's like $2 a month. If you serious about your YouTube grind, man, $2 ain't shit. Or you can just cancel it. Just get all your views or whatever. But that's just the pro version, but the app is free though. So I mean, it just gives you like 30 more tags to put on your videos, which is really not that much. So just get the free version. And you can just basically, like, when you see they start generating tags, for you, like, I still got some of these that don't got no views on it. But yeah, Tube Buddy, definitely get Tube Buddy. Tube Buddy would definitely help you. It's even better on the PC. Like, if you got the PC, you can steal other people's tags. I'm gonna make a part 2 like on PC, but this is just for the phone, like Tube Buddy on the phone. I didn't even know they had it. Cause for a while, I know like a lot of people don't have a laptop. They do everything on the iPhone. You'd be surprised how many YouTubers use everything on their iPhone. Between YouTube Studio and like Photoshop, I use this to make thumb titles. I can really start like my own little, and then I got iMovie right here. I can make videos, like whatever, man. Your world's your oyster, man. But if you want more views and get more recognized, definitely get Tube Buddy. I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below if you don't want to go to the App Store. If not, just go to the App Store. Go Tube Buddy. Everybody got their little success stories. Got their little success stories and stuff. I like Tube Buddy because it can show you a video lytics and all this stuff, man. I like Tube Buddy. His Tube Buddy look better than mine, I ain't gonna lie. It might be the Android version. Live subscriber count. I like Tube Buddy a lot. But yeah, that's Tube Buddy, and I'm out. If you want more views on your channel, so sub to me, I'll sub back to you. Let's get famous together. Let's make this money together. And I'm out. It's your boy Poppy Faded. Hit that like button.